Are you finding it so difficult to get content on your niche? Like, are you struggling to get a topic out there that you can use as a content? My dear, I will actually say that the reason why you are struggling on this because you don't know this particular thing I'm about to tell you here. Because if you know this thing I'm about to tell you here, you understand that finding a topic from your niche is very, very simple as ABC. It's not something you come and start struggling. You're not going to take any script writer to write it for you or any content writer to write it for you. Everything is going to be done as easy as possible. Starting from the topic, starting the title, how to optimize a very good title that will rank high on this YouTube, how to get an optimized qualified description for your topic, everything. It is very, very easy. So my dear, you need to know this particular thing and how to make use of it. Most of people knows it, but they don't know how to make use of it. That's the reason why I'm here to help you today. I will mention the name of what you're going to be using to be getting a very realistic and very unique content topic, descriptions, titles. Write hashtags for it. I even forgot to mention that one. So my dear, if you are the type that be struggling to get topic, you want to be consistent every day, you want to be posting 2 times in a week, all those kind of stuff, but issue you have is that you don't actually know the type of topic to select out there that will rank high. My dear, even if the trending topic in this YouTube according to your niche, it can still get a very realistic ideas, points, descriptions, titles that will help you to rank high, even rank more than the person that just started the topic. So my dear, if this sounds interesting to what you love to watch, I would advise you to stay tuned to this video from the beginning to the end, because every part of this information I will be dropping here is going to be very, very vital and relevant to you. So guys, stay tuned. Let's dive in. Hello my lovely people, you are welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my video, my name is Vera Joy. You are most welcome, guys. You are very most welcome, my dear. So my darling, I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so you'll be getting vital information from me each time I upload another video. And at the same time, please help me and like this video so you get to other people who are struggling on this to start getting their content topics, titles, descriptions, hashtags, thumbnail, everything where SEO optimized. So it will help you so much. So let's move into the tutorial of the day, okay? So my dear, what we are using for this particular thing that will help us to increase our chances of getting more views out there by giving us a right optimized title, treat our topic for us, give us a good description, hashtag relating to the particular video that will make us to rank high on this YouTube is actually nothing but the Oga Bata Bata ChatGPT. The Oga Bata Bata ChatGPT. Oh my god, this ChatGPT is something you don't know about. You must have been hearing about it. A lot of content creators will be telling you about, but they will not show you how this thing is being worked. I'm going to show you in details how everything is being worked here. So my dear, if I were you, I will pay good attention to this video, honestly speaking, because I'll be telling you how you're going to be commanding the ChatGPT to do a task for you. Anything you want ChatGPT to do for you, it will do for you. If you think I'm lying, you can check most of my videos. I'm actually making points. The reason why I have not been getting that kind of view is because I just started. By the time they have seen how much effort I'm be putting in this my channel, you will see me. I will start growing as fast as possible. So what I'm telling you is that this thing really helps. So this my channel is just 1 week, and as you can see the kind of subscribers I have here, and at the same time you can see the type of little views I'll be getting. So I started this thing of recent because I just watched a particular YouTuber. He's an Americaner. I watched this particular YouTuber. He taught me so much. I learned a lot from his video. So that's the reason why I bring it out here for you guys to learn. Okay, so we are not going to waste much time on this tutorial. This particular AI tool is what you can actually use your Chrome browser. You can use your Google, any type of browser that you have. You'll find ChatGPT inside there. So guys, let's quickly move. Okay, using my Google browser today. So this is my Google. Then you come here, you type ChatGPT. You type chat G, as you can see, I have it here, GPT. Okay, once you are done, you just click on go. As you can see, it is this first one I normally use, this chat GPT. Look at it here. You just tap on it. Once you tap on it to open the page. Alright, we are here guys. Look at this place, they say ask anything. If it's your first time here, you can sign in. If you don't want to sign in, you can just go direct. Like me, I did not sign in. I have been using, that's why there's no option like sign in and other things. So what you need to do here is just to tap inside a box where they say ask any. You can ask ChatGPT to give you a content. You'll be like, okay, let's ask for any type of topic of our choice. Let's say that this is a topic that is trending in YouTube now. Let's say how to get more views on YouTube Shorts. So let's assume that is what is trending now. Then you feel like creating a content on that. So you just come here and type, I need, like I told you, command it, it will do what you want it to do. Okay, you be like, I need a full topic on my YouTube video titled, you now put quote, you put quote here, you now say titled how to get more views on YouTube Shorts. Okay, you cover it. You be like, I want it well optimized. It well SEO optimized. I want it well SEO optimized. The next thing you're going to do is to send it. Okay, once you're done, you just send it. So it will start writing. You start writing. So this is the topic. It's writing it for you. Are you seeing what I'm telling you? Can you see what I'm telling you? So it's writing it. Okay, as you can see, here is a full optimized YouTube topic and script outline for your YouTube title. How to get more views on YouTube Shorts, titled Growth Strategy. Can you see it? It has given you a title that you use to rank this video high. See, what I asked before was how to get more views on YouTube. This can be a title to normal person like you. But see what it's telling me now. The right one to use is what we call titled growth strategy. And then is an SEO search words keywords that can help your video to rank high. Because we included it there that we wanted it to be well optimized, SEO optimized. So that's why it brought out titled growth strategy after everything. So you can just put how to get more views on YouTube Shorts slash, you now put this titled growth strategy. It will make the video to rank high because it is a keyword. Okay, as you can see, look at what he's saying here. SEO optimized video title, how to get more video on YouTube Shorts fast. Are you seeing it? I did not add fast to now he's not saying titled growth strategy in bracket. This is a keyword that will rank the video very high. If you have not been putting keywords in your video, start putting keywords in your video because it's very important. Then the next thing, as you can see SEO keywords to include for title, description and tags. This has given you options how to get more views on YouTube Shorts, get views on YouTube Shorts tips, all those kind of stuff, blah blah blah. I'm just showing you video description. It has given you video description. Okay, all these things now. This is what you will now do on video description. You just copy it, remove one or two things. That's it. Video script outline, SEO friendly connect. Look at your introduction. They're telling you how to introduce yourself. Starting from 0 seconds to 50 seconds. This is what you are supposed to be doing. If you are struggling to get views on your YouTube Shorts, are you hearing it? You are not alone, but there is a method I have tested that works instant. Abeg, this English I no understand. This works instantly well. Take it like that. I call it the titled growth strategy. Let's break it down. Can you see introduction? With this thing, someone that just clicked your video and your thumbnail is catchy, the person will be like, let me rush and click this video, and clicks immediately. It starts seeing you saying this thing. The person will be what hooked and start watching your video. As you can see, part 1, why are you not getting views? This is how you start. After 15 seconds, this is the next thing you're going to start. The part 1 of what you're going to discuss is why are you not getting views? My dear, after now, this is the next video I'm going to upload. Yes, I'm telling you the whole thing now. I will be uploading this video soon. So, mention common mistakes, no hook. Look at the mistakes they are making. No hook, poor lighting, no retention. You briefly explain the role of the algorithm. It cares about more watches time. As in, if I start saying this thing here today, e go reach tomorrow. If I start explaining this whole thing, all of them has part by part how it will help you. Look at the suggested video tags, how to get more views on YouTube Shorts, YouTube Short strategy, title growth strategy, short algorithm tips, get views fast. Look at all of them, my dear. Is it not lovely? Then you now come, look at what they're asking you. Would you like me to write a full word script for this? Anyhow I want it. Okay, let's say now we want a thumbnail. It has given us description and title now, and it has given us points, introduction and other stuff. We want a thumbnail. We now say we want a thumbnail based on this, thumbnail based on this, just save this video. I'll be making use of it. It will help you. We want a thumbnail based on this. You now click on, look at this arrow here ticked black. You just tap on it. It will bring you a pure thumbnail template, everything you want. Great. Your video, how to get more views on YouTube Shorts, titled growth. Okay, titled growth strategy. Here is a powerful thumbnail concept designed to be eye-catching, high converting, and optimized for YouTube's click-through behavior. As you can see, all these people, they work hand to hand. Them and YouTube, they're working hands to hand. So once you're getting things here, you see your video will start ranking high. Okay, look at it. They said thumbnail concept, visual elements. Look at the things they want you to use to design your thumbnail. Bold text, big, easy to read. Can you see it? Make it bold but easy to read. Look at what they're telling you. Write 0 view on the left side, but it should be in red color. They now say you now tick good 100k views on the right hand in green. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Please, where am I starting from? You know what, I'm going to save this so that I will make use of it later. This is so wonderful. So this is the whole thing. They will tell you the color, the background color, everything you need, how your picture is going to be like. Okay, additional icon. Okay, look at this one now. Arrow up, short icon, blah 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 blah. You can put on your this thing to hook people. A lot of things. My dear, it is beautiful. Start making use of it as soon as possible. So this is it. Ask anything you feel like. ChatGPT is there to give it to you. He is there to give it to you, my dear. Take care of your topic. Stop lacking content. I'm telling you, stop lacking content. Okay, my dear, with the way I edited everything for you, I know you must have understood what I'm telling you. It is very easy, right? If you know that you got a value for this my video, help me and hit the subscribe button and click the notification button. Very, very important, and help me and share this video, okay? So my dear, see you in my next video, okay? Bye.